Welcome. I'm the Word Nerd, and this is Kind of the Cost Ministries. Let's dig deeper and to dive into my November faith or Christian bullet journal setup. So this month, I didn't actually have time to record myself setting it up, so I'm just going to do a quick video about it. So this month's theme is coffee. But first, coffee. I love coffee. I love just the warmness and the taste, and yeah. So I drink coffee every morning. So I tried to draw my little coffee pot that I have here at the house. But first, coffee, yes, always. Then we got my monthly. So I actually only did Monday through Saturday. I didn't do Sunday because the only thing I do is go to church. So I don't have anything to write down. So then we have brain dump, and then this is going to be a to-do page. So I tried to draw my coffee cup and my husband's coffee cup for these two different pages. I thought that was cute. I might split this up into different columns. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm going to be tracking some stuff. I'm probably going to color code them with my pens, and then be able to just color in a little square to track things. And I normally don't track these things on Sundays anyway, so I won't have to worry about that. So let's go to October's and see how October went. So, see, October went well. I did do a lot of studying in my journal in October. I tried to do a few dailies. That was cool. Try to do a whole tracker for the month. Didn't actually work, but it's a good idea. Some more dailies. Then I started a study in Revelations. And I was going to do another study. I'm probably going to finish that later. That is some personal studies. And then I always try to leave a little bit of one full spread in it because I always set these up ahead of time. So just in case. So yeah, that's my November thing. Not a lot this month, but I do plan on tracking a lot of stuff here and being in my journal more on a daily basis. So yeah. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.